Hey, let me show you 5 the best camera features on your POCO C65. So first we are going to start from the photo mode, and when you click on this arrow you will open this menu, and the first option will be definitely the voice shutter. So now when you say this keyword cheese, as you can see the screen is flashing and it means that the photo was taken. So this will allow you to basically put your phone on any stand, on tripod, and say the keyword and make the photo without touching the screen. So that's a great option. Another feature will be appears right here. It's called the timed burst, and you can turn it on by tapping on this icon, but you can customize it by tapping on this small arrow that appears right here. So when you open it, now you can set the interval. So for example, you can take photo for each 2 seconds, and you can set number of the photos. So I want to set, for example, 130 photos, and when I click on the shutter, this phone is going to take 130 photos. And it's also useful for some group photos, or if you want to repeat some shots. So that's actually a great feature. Of course, you have to remember to hold your phone steady while taking the pictures. You can also stop it by tapping right here. Next option will be appears in the settings, so you have to click on this arrow, go into the settings in the right upper corner, and from here you've got option tap to take the photo. So normally when you are taking the photo, you have to catch the focus and then click on the shutter. Let me just get rid of this function. But now with this touch to take the photo, all you have to do is just to click once on the screen, and now the phone is automatically adjust the brightness, exposure, focus, and it will take the photo. So that's great feature. You'll take photos faster with this feature enabled. Next option will be also appears in the settings, and it will be the volume buttons function. So normally when you click on the volume up or down, you will take the photo with the 2 seconds of the shutter delay, but you can customize it, and my favorite one is the zoom feature. So now when I'm going to click and hold the volume up button, I can smoothly zoom in and zoom out by holding the volume down button. And the last option, it will be appears right here on the right side. That's the 50 megapixel mode. So thanks to this mode, we can actually get more details on the photos. And when you take the photo like this one, you can actually zoom in and take a look how many details we can find on this item. We can zoom in really close, and it's really useful to use this mode instead of the macro mode, because when you try to take photo with the macro mode, that is actually right here, you will get less details. I just make some tests about this, and you have to trust me that the 50 megapixel mode gives you more details than macro mode. So yeah, that's all the best 5 features of camera on the POCO C65. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.